This 2026 Airstream Interstate 19X is a Class B RV. It is located in Rockwall, Texas, 75087 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Rockwall. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 20 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 2 and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features couples coach, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.